Hello, third graders. Mrs. Van Dyke here. I miss you guys so much. I know I speak on behalf of the whole third grade team. Mrs. Miyamoto, Mrs. Baston, Miss Kolstad, and I. We all miss you guys so much. Can't wait to see your faces. So yeah, I'm here in my backyard. I was gonna do it inside, but my boys are sleeping, so we have to be quiet. So I came out here. It's really nice out here. Bane and Ronan are here, but they're being lazy and sleeping on the grass. Okay, so I just wanted to jump on and introduce some opportunities to do some can-dos. Okay, so just like in the classroom, we have our must-dos that we do during centers and rotations, and then we also have our can-dos. This will involve doing like grammar practice, math practice, writing practice, and some opportunity for some ARs, okay, to earn some points there. You know, you could read to your parents, siblings, pets, stuffed animals, I don't know. Okay, so it'll be really fun. I also have some great ideas that we can maybe make some videos and yeah, just make up stories and stuff and share them with the class. So it'll be fun. I can't wait. You might be asking yourself, okay, so why are we doing can-dos? We have our must-dos. Why do we do can-dos? Well, the number one reason is we have to stay sharp. Okay, we are accelerated achievers. We're dedicated doers. So let's do our can-dos. Okay, every week I want to announce like a weekly sharp student. Maybe I'll introduce announce two of them. Okay, we'll have two weekly sharp students, and we'll earn some points for maybe when we go back you can pick out of the treasure box or earn some points for your table. So when we go back we'll add up all the points. I'll keep track here, and then add them to your table points. Or maybe you can earn some extra minutes for recess for your whole class. Okay, so there's going to be some cool rewards for doing our can-dos. Let's do this. I'm excited. I can't wait. So you might be asking yourself too, okay, well, how do I get my points? How do I get these points for doing can-dos? I think for like certain things, there's going to be more, you can earn more points than others. Okay, so like I said, I'll be adding up the points here, but maybe like a video is worth 50 points, and if you write a poem or a short story is like 25 points. Okay, I haven't really decided yet, but I will definitely announce that what the can-do is over Google Classroom and how many points it's worth. Okay, so you can earn points to complete one or more of the can-dos posted on Google Classroom. Each day I'll be posting that, so look for that. Make sure you post pictures of your work, or maybe it's a video, I don't know, whatever it is that day. And make sure your work is clear. You guys are completing your work and you're doing an awesome job. Maybe write a little darker. Sometimes I can see you guys completed your work, but I have to squint because I can't really read it. So maybe write a little darker. But yeah, so just like you've been doing, you guys have been doing so great online. You've been posting your work just like that for can-dos. Okay, just look for my can-dos, post your work, and yeah, we'll have some fun with it. Okay, I'm so excited. Like I said, have fun. I miss your faces. We all miss you guys. And we'll talk to you soon. Okay? Bye!